Welcome to Ask Mr. Cloud. In this video, I'll show you your way around the Google Chrome browser. So open a browser. I'm going to open Chrome. You knew it, didn't you? Type google.com/Chrome. Or you can simply follow the link below this video in the description. To download and install Chrome, all you have to do, click on the blue button, accept and install, and off you go. Let's have a look around the Chrome browser. Starting in the top left, Chrome uses tabbed browsing. This is a tab, much like a file folder. To open a new tab, click the small plus sign here, and it'll open a new tab, show you your most visited websites, access to the web store, and there will also be a history down here below after you've been to a few sites. The back button will take you back to the page that you were at just before this one. If you click and hold, you'll get a list of all the pages that you visited with this window. And the forward button lights up, and there we go. The circular arrow is refresh. It will reload the page. This is the address bar, showing you the internet address of the page that you're looking at. You don't even have to go to Google to search. You can simply type your search term here, enter, and you're taken to Google. There you go with your search results. That is handy. Continuing, the star is what you click to add this page to your favorites, to your bookmarks. You can choose to add it to the bookmarks bar, which will appear just below the address bar. I like to use other bookmarks just because it's not always there. It's just cleaner that way. Just my opinion. And to the right of that is this little wrench that is your control panel, basically, which you have options to open a new tab, much like clicking the plus, a new window, a whole new instance of Chrome, or a new incognito window. Incognito explains here, pages you view in this window won't appear in your browser history or search history, and they won't leave other traces like cookies on your computer after you close all incognito windows. Any files you download or bookmarks you create will be preserved. Moving down, the edit, cut, copy, paste. Zoom is very good if it's small type. You have trouble reading it, you can click the plus button, plus. It enlarges the entire page. Makes things easier to read. Options. This is the key button right here, Options. Options is kind of the control panel. You can tell Chrome how you would like it to act in certain situations. On startup, you're offered choices of how Chrome will appear when you open it. Open the home page, which is currently this page right here. Reopen pages that were last open, or you can choose to open pages of your choice. You can copy and paste. You would copy, right-click, copy, right-click, paste, and that would be the page that would open. Home page is what opens when you click the home button. Notice up here, the home button appears and disappears when we check that box. and you can define what that home page is, any page that you would like it to be. Sync here is key. Under Personal Stuff in the Options tab, Sync is really a wonderful thing for Google Chrome. When you set up Sync, if you have multiple computers in your house, you have a laptop, you have your desktop, your work computer, use Chrome and set it up to sync to your Gmail account or your Google account, same thing. It's going to share the bookmarks, share the extensions and apps. It'll be like using the same browser that you sit down at your home computer with at work. It's very, very awesome. Definitely set up Sync. Google Chrome makes it easy in this browsing data tab here to import data. If you've been using, for instance, Internet Explorer and you're going to change over to Chrome, you can click the import data from another browser, choose which browser here. It'll take it from Internet Explorer, Firefox, Google Toolbar, and import whatever you choose. Makes it very easy. You can have all your bookmarks, just move them right over. I think you're really going to like Google Chrome. I know I was in love with it immediately. Stay tuned for more Google Chrome. We'll visit the web store next time and show you some what I consider to be critical extensions and applications. Thank you for watching Ask Mr. Cloud.